There was a boy named Abhi, 17 years old, soft-spoken and honest, but life was unkind. He failed his board exams, not once, but twice, and on his third attempt, he failed again. His friends moved on to college. Some left for big cities, and Abhi, he stayed behind, ashamed, silent, and tired of trying. People whispered, "Poor boy, not smart enough. Maybe he should just give up." Even his parents stopped pushing. And slowly, Abhi started believing they were right. One evening after his third failure, he sat alone outside his house, head down, fighting tears. His grandfather quietly joined him and pointed toward the corner of the roof. "See that?" he said softly. Abhi looked up. A tiny red-rumped swallow flew back and forth, carrying bits of mud and straw in its beak. She was building a nest, slowly, carefully, alone. Grandfather continued, "That nest has taken her days to build. Do you know how many times the wind destroyed it? How many times it fell, and she had to start again?" Abhi watched as the bird pressed a speck of mud into the nest, then flew off once more. "She doesn't stop," his grandfather whispered, "because she knows. When it's done, it will hold life." Abhi stayed silent. His grandfather gently placed a hand on his back. "You think you've failed, but you've been building. Slowly, quietly, just like her. Each attempt, each tear, every time you stood up again, that was one speck of mud. Your nest isn't finished yet. That's all." That night, Abhi couldn't sleep, not from shame, but from something new. Hope. He started again, quietly, studying not to impress, but to understand. Not fast, but steady. And a year later, he passed. Not just passed, he soared. Years later, Abhi ran his own learning center, and on the wall behind his desk, a framed photo of a red-rumped swallow's nest, the very one he had taken the day he decided not to give up. Not all success comes quickly. Some, like the swallow's nest, are built piece by piece, in silence, through setbacks. But when they're done, they hold life and meaning. Have you ever felt like giving up after failing again and again? What if you're not broken, just still building? If this story gave you courage to start again, comment, "I'm still building my nest." Like this, if you've ever felt behind but kept going anyway. Share this with someone who needs to hear. Failure doesn't mean the end. It means your nest isn't finished yet. Subscribe to Epic Inspire Stories for more powerful tales that help you rise quietly and meaningfully.